NFL Hall of Famer Brett Favre throwing a penalty flag against fellow pro football great Shannon Sharpe. Tuesday, Favre's lawyers told a three-judge panel of the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals his defamation lawsuit against Sharpe should be reinstated, arguing that Sharpe accused Favre of theft, even though Favre has never been charged with a crime. Jackson defense attorney Damon Stevenson says Favre is fighting to protect his name.
And obviously his name has economic benefits associated with it. And so from a legal perspective, his attorneys want to do everything they can to protect their client's ability to use his name to earn income.
Sharpe's lawyers told the judges his remarks were clearly an opinion offered when he was asked on a Fox Sports show about a news report on the welfare scandal and how it could affect Favre's legacy.
And Shannon Sharpe made statements based on his view of what he had heard in the news, what he had seen. Now, Mr. Favre's attorneys are of the opinion, hey, his statements damaged our client's reputation.
Sharpe slammed Favre for, quote, taking from the underserved, and that he stole money from people that really needed that money, and that someone would have to be a sorry person to, quote, steal from the lowest of the low. Favre's attorneys argue that's defamation because a reasonable listener would take the word steal literally. According to Stevenson, it's tough to prove defamation.
And so there's a question about whether or not a reasonable viewer would, listening to the show would find that Shannon Sharpe's statements were true and that Mr. Favre was a thief, essentially, that he went in people's pockets and stole funds.
Last fall, Mississippi federal judge Keith Sterrett threw out Favre's lawsuit, ruling that Sharpe's remarks were constitutionally protected, quote, rhetorical hyperbole. In Jackson, Ross Adams, 16 WAPT News.